Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Matt DiNardo. If your parent or loved one needs extra help to live safely and comfortably at home because of age, a medical condition, or recent surgery, then it may be time to look at Care Advantage and All About Care. From skilled nursing and medical care services to personal care and companionship, Care Advantage and All About Care gives families peace of mind. In a moment, we'll find out about the variety of services they offer and how to know if your parent or loved one can benefit from these compassionate services.
Miss Isetta, Care Advantage is helping out. Her training that she's received, it comes into here. We learn things from her, and we show her things here, and she's trainable. She knows exactly what to do.
She makes me feel comfortable, confident, safe. It makes me feel as I've got somebody that's watching out for me. You wouldn't ask for anybody better.
Don't do it alone.
And with us now are Olivia Jones, the Vice President of Operations at Care Advantage, and Dr. Ryan Mosey, Vice President of Operations at All About Care. Welcome to Showcase Richmond.
Thank you.
First of all, we'd like to thank Care Advantage for a big thank you, that is, for all so many nonprofits that have come in throughout the years, really helping us out here at Showcase Richmond and featuring these great organizations. Olivia, speaking of Care Advantages, what services can someone get from Care Advantage?
Well, Matt, Care Advantage offers tailor-made personal care services anywhere from 2 to 24 hours a day. Includes services such as bathing, dressing, meal preparation, and light housekeeping. Even skilled nursing services if needed.
So what should someone watch for? A younger child maybe, or a middle-aged child who's taking care of a parent or a loved one, to indicate that that loved one needs some personal services?
Okay, sure, that's a good question. You might notice some weight loss, some changes in their personal care habits, maybe the mail's starting to stack up. Those are just a few indicators.
When we see that type of thing going on and we make that phone call to Care Advantage, what's the steps that we kind of go through with you all?
Sure, Care Advantage offers a free nursing assessment. You can call us or go to our website and complete a form. We'll have our registered nurse come out, and together with the family and the individual, they will develop a comprehensive plan of care. The nurse will complete an assessment, and from there we can get started.
All right, that sounds pretty simple actually. Dr. Mosey, what is home health care and what kind of services does All About Care provide?
Sure. The way I like to describe home health is it's an extension of the hospital or rehab facility or the doctor's office. Just imagine if you could take your physical therapist, your nurse, or occupational therapist, transplant them out of the hospital and place them in your home. That's what we do. We do physical therapy, occupational therapy, nursing services, and speech therapy services in the home.
Does this help to reduce then the government spending?
It's a great question. Actually, if you've been to the hospital recently or your family members have been to the hospital recently, you've noticed that the bill, when it comes in, whether you pay it or the insurance pays it, it's averaging about $4,500 per day in the hospital. We can reduce spending by having somebody in the home and spending close to less than $3,000 for over 60 days. So it's a huge savings point and helps reduce the rehospitalizations for people going back to the hospital and getting those monies continuing to go.
What sets you apart from the other home health care agencies out there?
Well, the good thing here in Richmond is we have a lot of great home health agencies. The one thing that we have that nobody else has is we have an owner that is here in the community who was a nurse. She started out, Debbie Johnston, recognized the issues that the community needed and brought in Nurse Advantage, Care Advantage, and All About Care to continue to make this work in the community.
And if you need the services from either Care Advantage or All About Care, there are 12 locations across Central Virginia. Give them a call today, 804-323-9464. And as we said, it is locally owned and operated by Debbie Johnston. She's a registered nurse. Free assessment on the website, careadvantageinc.com. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks,
Matt.